Alright, today's video is about this little distiller I bought. I decided to make a video about it because when you look at the instructions, it looks like it's impossible to use, but it's really pretty simple. So, let's get up close on all the parts. You have this cool glass container for the water. Alright, it's a VEVOR. You can get it from Home Depot or Lowe's. You get this box of acid to use for the cleaning process. You have the plugs here on the back. This comes off. Alright. Yeah. And then you can see, you unplug it. And you can take this off when you're not using it. This piece, the motor that gets the job done, and then you have this power cord here that comes in the box. This is the base of the distiller. The VEVOR AI is recommended best, most affordable. So, and then this, you can control it. I'll show you how to do that. Alright, so let's look inside. Look how nasty it is. That's faucet water. You fill it up to the full level. There's a line for the full level and a line underneath that for the minimum level. And I think you could save about $1,000 a year on water. Yeah, just fill that up with the faucet water, letting the distiller do its job. It takes about 2 hours and 45 minutes to clean all the water, to purify it. The citric acid, don't drink it. The first 2 times you distill the water and fill up the glass container. You don't want to drink it, right? You just clean it out. That's the cleaning process. 2 teaspoons of the acid go in there to clean it out, to get it ready. This piece comes off. See, you pull it out. So I'll pop it off from the front, and then pull it. It comes down on the slant, and then you just pop it out. See, that's where the charcoal packs go in. You pop that back in like so. See that? It's an easy process. All right. Okay, and then so every time we use it, we get all that nasty fungus that came out the faucet. So you want to wipe that out real good. Wash it out before you fill it up again with your faucet water. Alright, we have our purified water here. You can do it in a water bottle. Pour it right in there. You stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm going to explain all the benefits of the purified water coming out the distiller when it's ready. After it's purified, there's a lot of good benefits that go with it. Alright, now since we have emptied the jug, we're going to start the process all over again. Let's see. So I wiped this out real good and filled it up to the full line with the faucet water. And next, the cool thing about it is you can see all the dirt and nasty junk that comes out of the faucet water once it's done. Move that out the way so you can see better. Take this tap and place it on tap, like so. Okay. You be careful with that because that's the motor. And then plug that in there. Okay. Next, we're gonna do. Be careful with these wires. You don't want the wires touching the distiller because it gets hot, too hot for the wire to be touching the distiller. Okay, that's plugged in. So you see, it's good to have a little thumbtack to hold that wire away from it. And then you can plug it in. Make sure the wire's not touching. That's good. Looks good. Make sure the jug is under the dripper. So that's on. That's what it looks like. You see, so what you want to do is you take this, you press it, and see, this time on the top left is the current temperature in Celsius. Temperature on the top right is the default temperature, and then you could change it to Fahrenheit or Celsius, right? And it's automatically set to 240, 2 hours and 40 minutes. You hit set, plus and minus. You hit the plus, you can go up to 245. That's the ideal setting. And you can go through, hit set, and then change all each time. Hit set, change it, make it lower with the minus button, or higher time with the plus button. And then you can set the time right there. So 245 is the ideal setting. 245, you get all the water distilled. It takes about 15-30 minutes for it to heat up and start dripping, and then it drips right into the bottle. And you do that, that's all you have to do. And then you get the purified water. And now we're going to get into all the benefits. Alright, we made it this far, and now we get into all the benefits of the water distiller. Let's see, why do we want to get a water distiller? Because heavy metals, lead, arsenic, mercury, microorganisms, bacteria, viruses, pharmaceuticals and trace chemicals, hard water minerals, calcium, magnesium, pesticides, herbicides, VOCs, most dissolved solids. It purifies the water, all the faucet water, that's all the bacteria, everything we don't want in our bodies that are coming from the faucet. And when we use faucet water, we never want to use faucet water for anything. So we want to use distilled water. If you want zero chlorine or chloramine, or filling water for cooking, coffee, or formulas, every filter has a rated life. The cold filter, the cold packet that I told you about, 2 to 6 months. Distillers don't use replaceable media. You just run it and clean periodically. Distilled water minimizes scale buildup in coffee machines, steam irons, humidifiers, aquariums. Distilled water is recommended for medicinal or lab use, battery water, CPAP machines. Certain pets and reptiles require distilled water. Distiller today, they're using the AI app. They recommend VEVOR at Home Depot, Lowe's. Use distilled water, purified, it's cleaner, better, all around. World peace.